everyone. Thanks again for tuning in for another video where we talk about Forex trading using the Pocket Option Broker. Now, I'm going to share a few tips and then we're going to get into today's new strategy using the Keltner channel, but this time with some new settings. And before we start, here are some of the people that have had success with the ebooks, have DM'd me to let me know. Darius, $125 to $100 using the 1-minute candlestick setups. Shanice, $300 to $750 on the 5-second strategy. And Joseph from $400 to $1,300, sticking to his plan to only do 1 to 3 trades a day at 10% of his account. And finally, Alan from $600 to a cool $3,000 using multiple strategies. He says that works for him that he's seen on the channel. So that's always good to hear. Quick tips: if you ever find yourself on a losing streak, then always consider reducing the amount that you're trading. If you're trading, say, like $100 per trade, then consider going down to like $50 or even less than that. That way you protect yourself from blowing your account. And again, as I've always said, if you're consistently losing, then it is time to take a break and regroup. Okay, so let's get into the Keltner new settings. We're going to turn on the Keltner channel. Now, look at the new settings. They are going to be an EMA period of 25, and then the ATR period of 30, and a multiplier of 2. Now, the styles, you can make them obviously any color that you want, and in terms of the thickness of the borders too. So we're going to click on Save. Okay, so exactly how does this work? When you're looking around for either a stock or a pair, you're going to be looking for the candles to be outside of the Keltner channel, either at the bottom or at the top. Now, the goal of this strategy with the new settings is that you want to enter right when the candle closes. We are on 1-minute candles and a 1-minute time frame. Let's see how it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.